Thank you for clicking. Today we're flipping a 2010 Toyota Prius.
Here it is. The car is just a side damaged car, right? So I already have the fender and I already bought it, but this is the only thing that needs to be repaired. Maybe 2 tires, because you can see the wiring on that side. No wiring on this side, but you can also tell that man might have to be changed. It is not the leather interior, but at least there's no rat infestation and the battery turns on with no problem.
So my first Prius I got, it had a rat infestation and the battery was bad, right? So when I got it off of Copart, that first Prius, I had thoughts that the battery was healthy because it had the ready sign, which this ready sign is showing on this car. So this one actually didn't clickbait me. So I do get all these cars from Copart. So pop up all the numbers on the screen and how much I got into this car. All the numbers are included, all right? I'm not hiding anything. So again, back to the lights. The only thing that's on is the oil maintenance required light and the traction control light. It might be due to the damage on the side, but I'm gonna have to look into that later. But right now, let me show you what I got.
As you can see, I already got the fender.
So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that, and then from there I'm just gonna take it from there. I'm most likely gonna do the oil change while I'm at it, do everything to show some love, guys, and just join the car flipping journey in hopes that you guys can also flip your car yourselves and change your lives and make some money moves. All right, anyway, stay tuned and I'll see you in the next step. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm here at the park. The car is completely done. It is detailed, the fender is applied. Let me show you.
All right, so here's the fender. As you can see, it does not match, all right? So on video, it actually does match, weirdly enough, but it does not match, I'll tell you that. And I did get a new tire for this one right here, and the ABS code is gone. And here's the full 360 view. Everything is done. Looks pretty nice, not even gonna lie. I'm gonna sell this for $4,000, maybe $4,300, just to maybe squeeze a little bit more. But I am gonna be the cheapest one in the market once this is posted, so I'm for sure gonna sell this car for a good price.
Anyways, let me go ahead and post it. All the pictures are on the screen right now. And yeah, I don't know what else to show you other than the results. So anyways, let's get to selling. Let's go. Alright guys, the 2010 Toyota Prius sold for $4,000, alright? Sold in less than a week and made a profit of $1,200, alright? So this Prius went mad quick and I sold it. I'm not gonna say by accident, but this guy wasn't even here to buy a Prius. He was actually here to buy a 2007 Toyota Camry, but he went on ahead and looked at my Prius because it was way cheaper, because he was wanted to buy a car for $4 grand. It was posted for $5,500. He was lowballing the hell out of me, so I told him, hey, I got this one, because I said in the previous clip that my minimum will be 43, but I had it posted for 45. So he was like, can you do 4? And I originally said I want 4, so I instantly said yes. We shook hands and the deal was done, all right? So that's how it was done, pretty much by accident, all right? I'm not gonna lie, but that's how it was sold. And I'm gonna go ahead and get into a lot more cars. Guys, I'm super close to the point where I need to quit my job. I already did all the numbers. If I sell 5 cars within a month for at least $1,250 profit each car, I should make minimum 75 grand a year, all right? So I'm really thinking about it. I really want to quit my job. I want to escape the matrix. I'm very open about not liking my job. I'm just not that type of person to be stuck at a building for 40 plus years to think I could do something real. If I offended anyone, I'm very sorry, but that's just how I feel, and I'm pretty sure a lot of the people that are watching this feel the exact same way, because that's what you're watching. But please leave a like, subscribe, hit the share button, hit the bell, share this to all your friends, and please DM me on Instagram. I'll answer all questions. And if you guys are liking the new setup, I did just buy this new little tripod with a mic and a light on it, but it's all still for the phone. I don't plan on buying a camera anytime soon, only due to the fact I like the AirDrop capability with the laptop and the convenience that I can record anywhere, anytime. I can just whip out the phone, all right? Because it is getting to the point, like I said, it's getting very busy. You know, imagine doing a first shift job with the car flipping, all right? Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. I rambled on for too long, but anyways, peace.